Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. As you know, I'm a huge fan of using AI in my business, and I wanted to show you one of the ways that I use it. I'm always using trying different uh, AI tools, and there's no secret that I'm a huge fan of ChatGPT. I do pay for the plus version, but what I'm going to demo for you today uses a different AI tool. If you have not used Notebook LM by Google, you really should take a look at it. One thing I like about Notebook LM is that you can create different projects, if you will, or notebooks. You can do this in ChatGPT now in the plus version. Not sure if it's in the free version yet, but I don't pay for the plus version of Notebook LM. So you can do this for free. But let me show you. So here's the use case. We have um, new employees, and we want to create quizzes to incorporate in their training. So, how do you use this to create quizzes? Well, let me show you how you can do that. And again, you can do this in ChatGPT. I just prefer using the Google LM for this. So, let me show you how we do this. I'm going to go ahead and add Notebook LM to my screen here. So, just Google Notebook LM, Google, um, and you'll see the link right here. Okay. So let me go into Google LM, and what I'm going to do is create a new notebook. Now, what I really like about um, this is that I can upload various sources. So you can upload a Google Doc, a slide, or just documents like your employee handbook or your SOPs. You can upload those. You can upload a link. You can do a YouTube video. Your website. So this is really great. Actually, I want to go ahead and add my website. So let's do this. Upload source. First, let's do the website. Let me put in my website link here. Now I find that it gets a little weird sometimes with the content from um, websites. You see it's red and it says here not reachable. Usually I find it incorporates that eventually, but I'm going to go ahead and though upload a couple of files here. I'm going to upload my employee handbook and my employee SOPs. All right, so the operations manual and the SOPs are now uploaded to Google LM. So I'm just going to chat with Google LM here. I am creating a training program for new employees. Please create 3 quizzes from the uploaded sources. Each quiz should be 10 questions and should be multiple choice. You could tell it to draft these quizzes any way you'd like. But let's go ahead and see what happens here. So I was thinking, and while this is thinking, I take these quizzes and then I add them to Google Quizzes. It's a form. I'm not going to show you how to do that right now, but you can easily Google this or YouTube it. You'll see how to create these quizzes in Google Forms. Okay. All right. So here are my 3 quizzes. We have a quiz number 1 on company policies and procedures. It tells me what the correct answer is. Here's quiz number 2 on visit types and procedures. And then we have quiz number 3, client relations and pet care. So it created 3 quizzes with 3 different topics, and it pulled this directly from my company policies. And so I just take these and I upload these into, or I add these to the Google Forms and turn the form into a quiz. And I have all new employees do these quizzes. And I have a 90% pass rate on the quizzes. It'll grade those for you. And maybe I'll do a deep dive on that later, but I thought this would be a great way for you to start using Google LM. Something else that's fun that you may not have tried is this audio overview section. So on the right hand side, it's a deep dive conversation. So what this will do is actually create a literal podcast. Two presenters, um, and they are having conversations with each other based solely on the information that I provided as a source. It'll take a few minutes for this to download, but if you go back in the group, you will see how I shared a demo of this a month or so ago. So and it's only based on the information on my website. Now, would I use this and I mean as is and publish that somewhere? Probably not. Um, but when you hear the audio interview for the overview for the first time, you'll probably think it's a little weird. I mean, it sounds very natural, by the way, but you can customize the audio overview. There was a customize button right next to the generate button, and I could tell it to take a different tone or different approach. But I think you'll be pretty impressed with how these overviews go. This overview is actually I wouldn't use it for clients, but it's great for employees. So they can listen to, a 10 or 15-minute overview of the company. It's a great way to engage potential employees and employees. I think it's great too for those job applications. You get a job application and maybe you send them a link to this audio overview so they can hear more about your business and the level of dedication and care that you take in your business. It will pick up on that based on the website source that I added. So you can also create a study guide, FAQs based on this audio interview. So it's really a lot of fun to play around with. So definitely check that out. Just a note though, um, yeah, see, it's already creating some FAQs for me. Look at that. Based on the sources that I uploaded. Oh yeah, here's maybe you can hear this. I hope you can. I'm going to play it here just so you can kind of hear what it sounds like. And Google has created a new feature, the interactive mode. So I can click on this and actually have conversations with the two presenters and the audio overview. So play around with this, check it out. But I thought I'd just share a video of how I am using AI in my business. All right. Good to talk to you. Let me know if you have any questions. Drop the questions below, and I'll answer those as quickly as I can. Take care.